Welcome to Eden View Living, where we do everything home and garden. I'm so excited because spring is finally here and I can get back into the garden and enjoy the beauty of nature. So, today I'm just going to be doing a quick tidy up of my garden, cleaning my furniture, my patio, and just cutting the grass. So, come along with me. Let's enjoy gardening together. I am trying to work on my grass. It's full of moss, it's full of weeds. Although the flowers are really pretty, it's the weeds are just actually destroying the lawn. So I'm considering returfing or just putting down some seeds. Maybe you can leave in the comment section what do you think is the best way. I've never really taken care of this lawn, if I can be honest. So I just cut and that's it. But now the weeds are taking over, so I need to do something about it. So, gardeners, when you've worked hard and you've finished, don't forget to sit down and enjoy the labors of your hands. Please don't look at the odd weed, otherwise, you will stand up and start weeding. Just sit down, enjoy a cup of tea, and enjoy the garden. Thank you, everyone, for watching, and until next time, ta da!